get going. Okay, guys, we are all started now. Again, my name is Terrence Hawkins. I am one of the leaders here at Team No Limit, one of our team, the fastest growing team in MWR Financial. Someone has invited you here today to hear about our company. You may have heard that we are the home of the instant pay raise, and we are the home of the guaranteed income, and you want to know a little bit about that. So that's what we're going to be discussing this afternoon, and to see why thousands of people are continuously joining our company. Okay, so with that said, guys, let's go ahead and get started. Let me start off by telling you a little bit about our company itself. Our company, Brian House, is our CEO and co-founder. That's Mr. House, him and his lovely family there. Guys, we are a total financial solutions company. That simply means that we have solutions to financial issues that's going on in America now, and you're going to find out about those. We were started in August of 2017. We have an executive team with 75 plus years of experience, and we are currently 100% debt-free already, okay? Well, let's go over our mission real quick, okay? Our company's mission is to provide families with the same experts and the strategies that's used by the wealthy to overcome the financial challenges that's been created, guys, by our what? Our tax, our credit, our banking, and our educational systems. Here's the facts of what's going on in our country now. 78% of Americans live paycheck to paycheck. Now, guys, I understand that the economy is better, the unemployment rate is low, but the fact remains, even though we're the richest country in the world, 78% of Americans are currently still living paycheck to paycheck. Something's wrong with that. Then 70% of Americans pay too much in taxes. Guys, 80% of Americans have credit challenges, and 90% of Americans are buried in debt. Now, as a result of that, 70% save less than $5,000 by the age of 65. Guys, we're here to say that this stops today. But before we're able to have this stop today, we need to understand how we got there. You see, many of us may have used that same system that our parents used or our grandparents may have used. You know, that's the system that we want you to go to school. We want you to get that good education so that you can get that good job. And guys, a lot of us did that. A lot of us went to school, got the education, got additional education, masters and all that. Then we got a good job. But what we weren't told is once we got that good job, a third of our income was going to be gone away towards taxes. We wasn't told that. I mean, I can clearly remember that I wasn't told about that word FICA. Do y'all remember the first time you knew what FICA was? You know, FICA, you know, that Social Security, Medicare that came out of your check. You know, I remember that. I was 16 and I working for where? The Golden Arches, right? But then we also wasn't told that a third of our income was going to go towards the banks just to service the debts that we were out. Guys, and then we were supposed to use the remaining third of our income just to cover normal living expenses. I'm not talking about trying to live like the Joneses and do some other things. You know, I'm talking about normal expenses. So how was we were supposed to live? People start living off of credit. They're using credit to make up the difference and to finance their lifestyle that they want. Okay, individuals now are using credit just to put gas in the vehicle, just to go to that job, and then just to have a third of their income going away towards taxes. Guys, then we were supposed to try to save or invest enough for retirement. Now, retirement, how is that really working for individuals? Well, Forbes has said that the greatest retirement crisis in American history is happening now. Money Q&A basically said that why are professional athletes going broke? And why you are too. Market Watch said that most Americans are one paycheck away from the street. NASDAQ basically said that more than half of Americans are doing what? They are retiring broke. But guys, here at MWR Financial, the good news is we have a better system. Guys, we have a better plan for individuals in America. Let me introduce you to MWR's Financial Edge membership. Okay. Now, guys, this is a membership. There's one membership that the company has, and it's going to provide individuals with their personal team of financial experts. That team is going to use our proven strategies to secure you and your family's financial future. Okay? Here are some of the things there. Got an instant pay raise that we're going to talk about. And then we're going to talk about 4 core services that individuals receive with our membership. Guys, let's go ahead and talk about it. Money Max first. When individuals get the membership, the Financial Edge membership, they also get Money Max, which is unlimited financial advice on demand. Unlimited financial advice on demand. Why do we want to give that to individuals? Because, guys, if you was like me, I can clearly say that if I would have known certain things, I wouldn't have got into certain problems. If somebody was able to talk to me, not my cousin, not just my church member, right, but somebody that was experts, that was able to talk to me, I might not have gotten problems. Guys, we get unlimited consultation with the CPAs, with the certified financial planners, with the enrolled agents. Okay, we get the answer. We get answers to virtually any financial matter that we have when we have it. If we want to know if we need to lease a vehicle or purchase a vehicle, we don't have to make that decision on our own. Guys, we have people. Now, individuals like that with experts normally charge $200 to $300 per hour to talk to people. That's why people don't use them all the time. Okay, but we get it unlimited with the membership that we have. And then they're going to talk to us, most importantly, about tax reduction. Why? Because 1/3 of our income is going towards taxes. And they're going to basically structure people to basically have an instant pay raise starting the very next paycheck. Then we get a record keeping system included in there so that we are compliant with the Internal Revenue Service. And then they also don't stop there. They get to look at our last 3 years of our tax return just to make sure that we took advantage of all of the deductions that we possibly can have. Guys, individuals that are using Money Max are saving a lot of money already. One of the individuals on our team always actually say that he used Money Max, did his consultations, and just by structure alone, he didn't know. He thought he was getting good advice by going and getting his taxes done, but he ended up being restructured and already projected to save close to $4,000 a year just by the advice of just restructuring. But guys, where are we going to start? We're going to start with our instant pay raise. You see, our target market is really those individuals that are W-2 employees. You see, our proven strategy is to increase the take-home pay of over 150 million W-2 employees and starting with their very next paycheck. We want those individuals to feel some freedom instead of living paycheck to paycheck. And there's over 150 million of those. There's over 150 million. Let's talk about how this thing works, okay? You see, our Money Max experts are going to help them to do 2 things. Number 1, to stop overpaying taxes and letting the government use our money all year long, and they're using it interest-free. Number 2, we're going to help them to be able to use the home-based business tax laws to increase their deductions so that they can pay less and then keep more. Okay, let's dive into that a little bit deeper. The first thing I was mentioning is stop overpaying the IRS. A lot of people say, Terrence, what do you mean by stop overpaying the IRS? Well, you got to understand what's going on. See, what's going on is when individuals have a paycheck, there's taxes coming out of their paycheck every time that they get paid, right? Federal, state, if you're in the state, and then they have Social Security, Medicare, that's coming out. And it's sent to the government authorities on your behalf. That's sending to them on your behalf. You see, when you did that W-4 form, you told them exactly what to send. And when you did that, you're looking at the end of the year, right? When you're doing that tax return. But the problem is the only thing that you're going to look at normally is that big word refund. You look at that word refund because you're like, all you want is how much refund do I get? How much refund do I get without understanding what a refund really is? You see, it's on line 75. But if you continue to read the entire line, you'll realize that refund says at the end, says, this is the amount you overpaid. It's right on our tax return. It's on there, but we don't read our tax return, do we? No, we just want to know what refund is. Now, I want you to think about it for a second. The Internal Revenue Service is telling you that your place of employment sent too much money during the year to them. Now they're giving the money back to you, okay? But they're not giving you any interest. You overpaid them. Now, the IRS said in 2017 that over 70% of the individuals received a refund. That means 70% of the people paid too much money. They overpaid the IRS. And the average refund was $2,818. That's an average of $200 per month that people overpaid to the IRS. What would you have done with that extra $200 a month just coming to your household? You have to think about that, because I know that individuals just wouldn't just overpay anybody, okay, just to do it. Think about it for a second. Many individuals are going to go shopping on Black Fridays coming up. The day after Thanksgiving, many individuals are going shopping. If you went shopping to get those specials, to get those discounts, and you got home and you look at your receipt, and if you found out that you overpaid at that location $50, what would you do? I know what you do. You would stop what you're doing, right? Stop eating, and you'll go back to that location, and you'll tell them that you overpaid. You want a what? Refund. You would do it then. You wouldn't wait to the next Black Friday to get your refund. So why do we wait a whole year to get our money back from the IRS? We don't have to wait is the thing, guys. You see, the only problem that's going on with you getting the refund is you filled out the W-4 form on your place of employment incorrectly. That's what's going on. See, many individuals are not doing this correctly, right? Now it's 4 pages in 2018 to do. It's just not looking at that in box number 5, you put an exemption there. Many individuals don't want to read all of it and say, you know what, I'm scared of the IRS, I'm just going to put a 0 right there. Or they're looking there and say, oh, I got 1 dependent, I'm going to put a 1 right there, not understanding everything about the form. You don't have to understand it, guys, with our Financial Edge membership, because the CPA is going to do it for you. They're going to redo your W-4 form for you. They're going to give it back to you correctly filled out. You're going to take that to your HR department, and then what's going to happen? They're going to start taking out the correct amount of taxes. Normally, you get what? An instant pay raise the very next check, because they're not taking out as much. And that's just step 1 of our instant pay raise. But what about step 2? See, step 2 is all about now you're using the laws on your behalf. See, we have to understand to utilize the tax laws. Just put ourselves into position. You see, the IRS basically said that a home-based business pretty much is the best deduction that you can have, guys. Okay? You know, it's IRS Tax Code Publication 535. They said that if you have the intent to generate a profit, if you actively participate, if you keep the proper records, you can take and claim the expenses that are ordinary and necessary to that business. You can take those as a deduction, even though some of those may have been personal. And that's the key. See, the key is to take the personal deductions that you're already spending and turn those into tax deductions. Let me show you a little bit what I'm talking about. You see, there's over 180 some of those deductions, but you only need to know about 7 of those to really save yourself a lot of money. You see, we are currently spending money on these deductions already. We are currently driving our vehicles, so we have a mileage deduction there. So instead of just driving your vehicles, the experts are going to teach you how to turn some of those deductions to business deductions. You want to know how you can have every trip you take to Walmart a business deduction? Our CPAs is going to structure that for you. You want to know how the trips you take to see your family and to other places to a business deduction? Our CPAs is going to go over and structure that for you. How about your business trips? See, you're currently taking trips. You're going to the beach, you're going to the mountains, you're going to different places, staying all night at different hotels. You need to be structured to make those business trips. We are eating out weekly now, aren't we? Okay, how about turning those to business meals? You have cell phones, you're paying internet. Guys, you're paying insurance expenses, or for medical, or just your expenses at all. How about learning how to make that 100% deductible? Because it can. Not deductible, an expense that comes right off the income. I'm not talking about the Schedule A. Totally different. But we also are spending a lot of money on our kids, aren't we? How about being able to learn how to hire your kids? They don't have to file taxes on their money, but you get a deduction on it, and IRS don't stipulate what they must do with their money. So they can buy their own clothes. They can do their own items as far as sports and stuff that they do. They can pay for their own, but you get the deduction. Guys, they can make up to $12,000 in a year. This year, $12,000. Yes, there's certain things you have to do to make it done the right way, That's what our experts do for individuals. But this alone can save people a lot of money. But guys, guess what we do? We basically prove it before a person gets into our company. We prove it for them. You see, individuals can go to, and you can go to myinstantpayraise.com. Do not go now, okay? Go after the webinar. Don't go now for me, right? But you can go to myinstantpayraise.com, okay? And you can key in the 7 questions there, the 7 deductions there. Make sure you use monthly numbers. Make sure you use monthly numbers. How many miles you're driving a month, your cell phone, your utility costs. Take your travel and divide those and get those into a month. You put that in there and it's going to give you an estimate. Guys, do you know that the national average is $300 to $600 a month in savings? And that's not our numbers. That's not our numbers. That's based on the 2016 U.S. Census, guys. Not our numbers. That's based on that. Now, how cool is that? Now, think about that for a second. Step 1 was to stop overpaying the IRS, and that was about $200 on average in savings. Step 2 is about knowing the tax laws and start utilizing those things, and that's like $300 to $600 on average. Yes, you might as well say that's $500 that individuals can potentially get as an instant pay raise when they're using all of the strategies. What would you do for that? And that's just one of the core services of the Financial Edge membership. Let's go to another one. The next thing the individuals get without membership is they get Credit Max. Now, Credit Max is a 27-year-old company. This company used to be a franchise. It used to be a franchise, okay? They had 13 different franchises around the country. Individuals paid $50,000 to $100,000 per franchise to actually be involved, okay? They had an awesome system. They have already helped over 100,000 individuals already. And the average credit score increase of individuals have been 50 to 150 points in as little as 4 to 6 months. Now, why do we want individuals to be able to use a company like Credit Max? Because, guys, the higher your credit score, the lower the interest rate, the lower the down payments, the lower their insurance premiums. We have individuals now, guys, that's telling us that their credit score is going up and they're saving themselves $100 per month on their insurance premiums. You know, this is absolutely cool, okay? So we want people to have the credit scores in best possible position that they can, okay? So that's the first thing. But there's also credit rebuilding, okay? We have to help some individuals because no credit is like bad credit. Do you know individuals that's currently renting? How about we have a program, check this out, we have a program that individuals that's renting, they can take their rent and their payments that they're renting can end up going on their credit reports. That's right. Guys, that alone gives individuals about 29 points alone. Okay? Cool. Sometimes people need credit lines. We have installment lines for individuals, need the right ones. We have revolving accounts for individuals. We have identity theft protection. And here's the cool part. Our experts do all of the work. You see, this is not a program that individuals get and they get to listen to all the videos and then they get to download these letters, these templates, and then they get to mail them into the credit reporting agencies. It's not that one. It's not even the one that they get to get a program and they get to upload their credit reports and then they send them letters. They got to sign the letters and send to the credit reporting agencies. No, our experts do everything for them. You upload the credit reports, they evaluate your credit reports, they look at it, they come with a strategy there, they dispute some of the things on there, and they send it to Equifax, TransUnion, and Experian. They do that. We just had an individual that just sent us today, just uploaded today that he got his back, his Smart Credit part back, because Smart Credit, guys, tracks your credit score as they change. That's come a part of our company, actually with a discount service with that. And he just said in 30 days, 104 points, a 30 days increase. Now remember, the average is 50 to 150 in 4 to 6 months, but some faster, some later. But our experts do all the work. Now, here's what happened. If somebody's credit score, as an example, just increase in 29 points. This is how important this is, okay? Because individuals have car loans. Look at this example of a car loan, $15,000 car loan at 6 months. That's $2,000 in saving. How about somebody's debt, credit card debt? $12,000 in credit card debt. That's another $2,000 in savings. Guys, how about the mortgage? $300,000 mortgage over 30 years, $40,000 in savings just by a 29-point increase. So somebody may say, I got a decent credit score. I got 661, You might want to increase that as high as you possibly can to save yourself some money. How the credit score, okay, lower the interest rates, you save money. Let's move on. Here's another benefit, guys, with our Financial Edge membership. It's called Equity Max. Now, Equity Max is our debt elimination strategies, okay? So you need to eliminate your interest by getting out of debt faster. That's what you want to do. You want to get out of debt faster. Many individuals can't get out of debt faster. I don't have the extra money to do it. I don't know where it's at. Guys, this program, you're going to be able to keep your same job. You're going to be able to keep your same income, your same budget, but you're going to be able to pay off your debt in record time. Normally, it's in a half to a third of the time. The experts are going to tell you what to pay and how much to pay every single month until you're out of debt. See, they're your accountability partner. They're going to send you a monthly statement that's going to tell you exactly what to do until you're out of debt. And it's going to have your debt-free date so that you know the date and the month that you will be debt-free. Okay? And it's going to track that for you. You got accountability, guys, to finally try to get out of debt. Let's go on to another one of the core services. It's Wealth Max. Now, this is our wealth generation strategies. Okay? Your money should be making more money from you. Bottom line. That's what retirement is all about. Your money should be making more money. Okay? Here you're going to get unlimited consultation with real wealth experts. This program here is head up by Jordan Goodman. Go ahead and actually Google Jordan Goodman actually later, but you'll see that he's a best-selling author, wrote like 14 financial books. He's of all of the radio shows, over 400 actual radio, 400, yes, radio shows throughout the country that he's done. Okay? Also, you'll see that actually Jordan has been on Fox News. He's been on CNN. He's also been on The View. He's been on The View 4 separate times. Okay? He's one of those guys that financial specialists call to see what's going on in the industry. So you want to know what's going on with IRAs, what's going on with 401ks, what is a Roth, which one you need there. If you want to know about gold and silver, you want to know about cryptocurrency, you want to know about all of those, you want to know about real estate. All of those things, guys, Mr. Goodman educated us on. But one of the main things that they're going to educate us on, guys, or one of the main things that they're going to do is they're going to talk to you one-on-one. Why? Guys, because some people are married, some people are single. Some people got kids, some people don't have kids. Some people have, the age, they're older, some people are younger, okay? Some people got money, some people don't. Guys, you need one-on-one consultation for your goals, okay? And you're going to have professional analysis to develop the best wealth plan for you and your family. Because ultimately, they want to lead you to the self-banking, your private reserve account, which is the best way to save, grow, and protect your money tax-free with no risk of loss. Self-banking, guys, is basically you having your own bank. You're going to be able to make money just like the banks are making money on both sides. It is a cool concept. You want to become your own bank, the lender, not the borrower. Self-banking is the best way to do that with our private reserve account. Whether you have that consultation, literally, I know it's going to blow your mind. But some people that say, hey, I want to be in real estate investing a little bit, okay? And you may want to take advantage of land banking. Land banking, you're going to be able to buy land for 20 to 40% below market value. 20 to 40% below market value. Guys, these are the same strategies that's used by the wealthy, okay? These are the same ones that's used by the wealthy. You want to make sure that you have that consultation, guys, so you can save a lot of money, okay? We have individuals, guys, that's having these consultations and stuff, and they're telling me every single day about how they're using private reserve account. Now, some people even got 2 private reserve account, and guess what? We save them enough money on their taxes and stuff that the tax stuff is paying for it. That means their tax stuff is paying for their retirement. That is absolutely crazy. Wait until you have that consultation with the private reserve account and Wealth Max. Okay, guys, we're going to get all of that, actually that I mentioned in our Financial Edge membership. This is everything that you need to succeed. Okay, to use those strategies and everything, and our experts are going to do all the work for, check this out, $79.97 a month. That's right, $79.97 a month. No setup fee, no contract, and your spouse is included in that. That is huge. Guys, there are companies out there for one of their services. For one of their services costs more than that, especially for actually two people. I'm talking about two individuals, this one price. You see, we understand, okay, when two individuals are joined together, sometimes two individuals bring tax issues. Two individuals bring debt issues. They bring credit issues. One got a retirement, another one don't have retirement. Nobody got retirement, right? They come together. We need to help both individuals. So we treat them just like the Bible said. If they are as one, we treat them as one. Okay? $79.97 is going to include your complete financial strategies membership. How cool is that? Guys, I know you probably have to think right now, yes, that's an awesome membership. It's great. And I know you know people that need it. You know individuals probably are working job. How many people you know that have a W-2 job that basically want an instant pay raise? That would love to have $200, $300 coming back on their paycheck. Where they don't have to ask their boss. They don't have to ask their manager. They don't have to basically do some type of certificate program. They don't have to do any of that. Well, that brings us to an opportunity if you choose so. If you choose to participate in an opportunity, guys, we get paid, and we get paid daily to share our Financial Edge membership and to share the opportunity with others. We get paid daily just to share this information. Okay, why? See, the company understands that individuals, okay, 95% of the individuals are on the left side of this quadrant. They're either employee or they're self-employed. But they're doing the same thing. They're trading their time for money. You will never be in position to retire or never be in position of wealth if you're trading time for money. You have to use leverage. So they understand that investors is money, making you money, but they also understand that business owners is people working together to make you what? Money. You see, our membership is designed to get people from their left to the right. Think about it for a second. As an employee, okay, the instant pay raise saves you money there as an employee. Then you move from employee to self-employed, right? So now you're taking advantage of the tax laws because you have a home-based business and you're taking advantage of the tax laws. Now, whether you're employee or self-employed, you're able to save money by using the Credit Max program and using the Equity Max program. And then you're able to use the Wealth Max program to start that money that you're saving there to go over to being an investor. And your money is making more money for you, tax-free, okay? And no fear of loss. But then you share the opportunity to basically use leverage to build a system for business owners. And when you do that, guys, you're going to be able to enjoy the rewards: guaranteed income, immediate income, leverage, residual, passive, and bonus income. Let's go over the incomes now, just by you referring individuals to Financial Edge membership and opportunity. We're going to go first with the Financial Edge membership. You referring the membership to individuals that you know, okay? They get the membership, guys. They get the Financial Edge membership. They're paying the $80, and you're going to get 100% customer bonus. 100% customer bonus. Here's how that's paid out. You're going to get paid $40 the first time that they make their payment, and then you're going to get $40 on that second building. That's 100%. Okay? That's pretty cool. You're going to get some residuals after that I am going to go over, but I want to go over this part first. We have a program that individuals can refer 3 customers, and their membership is free. So your customer that you refer, that they get the membership to use for whatever that they want to use for. A lot of our realtors love the Credit Max program, so their customers get in there for that. Their customers, we know when the credit score increases, they're going to tell somebody else. They get to refer 3 people, and they get their membership for free. They refer 3 individuals with the membership, just the membership. They're not doing the business, they're a customer. But they refer 3 customers and they can get their membership free. But guess what? Something special happens. When they do that, you get to earn the $80 for each one that they refer. Okay, they just referring a customer just to get their membership free, but you just made 80, 80, and 80. That's big time. That's big time. But guess what? You're going to be able to do the same thing, because you can get, okay, a lot of our consultants, of course, they have the membership themselves. And when they refer 3 customers to MWR Financial, they get their membership for free as well. This is our Refer 3 and Yours Free program. Let's go on. Now let's talk about referring the opportunity, okay? Now, when you refer the opportunity to individuals, this is individuals that say, you know what? I want to participate in the opportunity. I want to make money also. I want some extra money. I want another stream of income, because we have individuals We're going to go over, guys, significant amount of income in the company already. Okay. So when individuals are actually doing that, guys, the company has a leadership expansion bonus. So every time somebody actually participates in a program, the company is going to immediately say, pay out $100. And depending on what position in the company you are, it depends on how much you make. Well, you're going to start off, everybody makes $25. So you're going to make $25. They want to participate. You make $25. And then you can also make the override bonuses. Now, our override bonuses go from $10 up to $75. Okay. So you can potentially make $25 all the way up to all of the $100, depending on what level. Now, here's what I like about this program here. Okay. Because let's say you're a senior manager here. That's the thing in the purple there. Okay. It basically says here that you make $25 when they first come in, and then that override is $20. Once you get there, the override is $20. That means when individuals come in and they're going to refer people, they're going to refer people, they're going to refer people, you're going to have an override of $20 for everybody that comes in down to unlimited levels. It's 20, 20, 20, 20, 20, 20, 20. And it may not sound like much to you. Okay. But my mentor, okay, I met my mentor back in 2005, December of 2005. Okay. And he was a part of a previous company before. And he was part of a company that had this structure here. Okay. His override, however, was $15 per person, $15 down to limit levels. My mentor made over $12 million in that company off of a $15 override. Guys, we got overrides up to $75. That is huge. I want you to understand that. But then there's more, because this is when people first come in. This is when people first come in. How about you get the same thing off of the residuals of the customers? Here's the residuals from our customer memberships. Guys, we get to pay, depending on what level in the company you are, you get to make up to $8 per customer down to unlimited levels every single month in residual income, as long as individuals have the membership. And that starts payment on the third month that they make their membership payment. How cool is that? That is excellent, excellent, excellent. Now, the company also, guys, believe in people helping people. So they're going to say, if you refer somebody and they want to participate in the opportunity, they want you to help those individuals to make the monies that you're seeing now. And when you do that, they're going to reward them. They're going to reward them, guys, with unlimited 25% check match. Unlimited 25% check match on all the earnings of our personally enrolled financial consultants. Our consultants make $100 a day, you make $25. They make $400 a day, you're going to make $100 a day. Because remember, we pay daily. 25% check match. And you can refer as many consultants as you want. You can make 25% on all of them, paid daily. That is big time. I want you to understand that. That is big time. But then there's more. We have our luxury vehicle club. How cool is that? I know some of the people on the line right now, see on the webinar, are part of this vehicle club, okay? They're part of the vehicle club. Guys, the vehicle club is kind of cool, okay? Tier 1 of the club is $500 a month. Now I'm talking about $500 a month that you get to pick the car. You get to pick the color, as long as it's within 5 years old, or if you have a classic vehicle, you can write in, but you get to pick whatever kind of car you want, okay? Again, no problem. But guess what? Suppose you already have a vehicle within 5 years. No problem. They're going to send you the $500. But Terrence, my payment is only $320. No problem. It's a vehicle club. You got gas, you got maintenance. They're going to give you $500. Doesn't matter if your car payment is only $320. As long as that car is within 5 years old, they're going to send you the $500. That's cool. And that's just tier 1. Tier 2 is $1,250 a month. Better car, right? And guess what? Suppose you don't have a better car. You can have 2 cars. Okay? They're going to send you the $1,250 regardless. You can take care of 2 cars with that, some of you, right? Awesome stuff. But guess what? There's a tier 3. Tier 3 is $3,000 a month. Why? Because they say go ahead and include your house payment, guys. This is absolutely cool. This is another reason why the company is exploding the way that the company is doing now. Okay, that's our luxury vehicle club bonuses. Now, as good as all of that is, okay, I always say that we talk about what? Guaranteed income. Okay, we talk about guaranteed income. Why? Because we understand that bad things happen to good people. Bad things happen to good people. See, a lot of individuals got into financial problems. One of the main reasons is because of health problems. Okay, either you or your loved one or somebody got sick. And when they got sick, guys, they might have to take 1 day off of work, 3 days off of work, or a week off of work, or a month off of work, whatever it was, but they lost income and can never catch up. And then the car breaks down, unexpected death happens, insurance rates goes up, life just happens. And we understand that. So we want to make sure that people have guaranteed income. You see, there was a guaranteed retirement before that was called a pension. And they took us away from the pension. We don't have pensions any longer, do we? Now we have to put money in like a savings account and then earn. We want individuals to get back to having guaranteed income. Now, what does that mean? That means when you reach a certain criteria, you don't get paid less than a certain amount. You can make more, okay? But if your production is less, you got a bottom line that because why? Your bills will always stay the same. We want you to have the same for us guaranteed income. And all you have to do is qualify for it. So we help individuals to qualify for it, okay? That's in 10 minutes, guys. So we done, all right? Here we go. Daily guaranteed income. We have a daily guarantee and we have a monthly guaranteed income. Here's our daily guaranteed income. To qualify, write this down if you're taking notes. To qualify for our daily guaranteed income is you need to have one customer. That's one person that says, I want the membership only, for whatever reason, they want the Financial Edge membership, credit, tax, instant payroll, whatever it is, they got the membership, okay? Then 3 people you refer that want to participate in the opportunity, okay? 3 people want to participate in the opportunity, 1 customer. When you do that, the computer's going to look every day. And when the computer see that, they're going to say, you have a guarantee, because remember, this is daily guarantee. And the computer's going to start off with $5 a day in daily guarantee. $5 a day starting off in daily guarantee. Somebody said, Terrence, it's on $5 a day. Guys, it's $150 every single month in guaranteed income, regardless of what happens. Okay, I like to say that because if you took $3,000 and put into a bank account in January, how much is that going to be at the end of the year in December? What, $3,005, $3,010? Think about that. Even if something was a 10% annual return, okay, how much is that going to be at the end? $3,300? This is $150 every single month. Every single month. That's big. Okay, that is big. But it doesn't stop there, because all we do is help everybody at least qualify for guaranteed income. We're all about helping people qualify for guaranteed income. Okay, so let's see what will happen if you qualify for guaranteed income, and then you have 3 people get an instant pay raise, and then they qualify for guaranteed income, and then we teach them to do the same thing over and over and over again. Because we get paid, as I said, $5 a day up to $1,000 a day in guaranteed income. And it's all about how many people end up just being on your team. You just qualify with 3. You qualify with 3 and 1 outside customer. If you don't want to do any more, you don't have to. Okay, you're going to qualify for all the guaranteed income. I'm showing you an example of just that. But then we're going to help those 3 people do the same thing. And with those 3 people, they refer those 3, when I say customer, right? You got 12 individuals on your team. You just did 3, 12 on your team. That's $20 a day, $600 a month. That's $7,200 a year in guaranteed income. Guys, I'm excited. I am really excited about this because in August, my 18-year-old turned, like in August, is at $20 a day in guaranteed income. He's a freshman in college. That means dad and mom don't have to send him, okay, the money to college to use, because he gets paid every single month. He's getting paid $600 every month. That's his budget, not coming from my pocket. Is that cool or what? That's $7,200 a year, guys. That's not even an instant pay raise anymore. That is a promotion now. But it continues to happen. Remember, we get paid $5 all the way down, right? I'm going to show you 5 more levels. And this is everybody just helping people qualify, 3, 3, 3. Some people doing more. Some people do 3, 3, 3, all the way down. If you look, guys, in 7 levels total, you have a team of 3,279 individuals on your team. If you look at the right side here, that's more than that 3,084, which qualified for $1,000 a day or $30,000 a month. You hear me right? In guaranteed income. I'm sure you're somewhere on this chart of saved money to something covering your car payment, your house payment, to lifestyle shift to freedom. Whatever you are, guys, those are the numbers you're trying to hit. And that's just our daily guaranteed income. Let's go to our monthly guaranteed income right now. Monthly guaranteed income, guys, we get paid monthly guaranteed income. It just happens. The number of individuals come to there. You start off with $500. There's as few as 50 individuals on your team. $500 a month, all the way down to $100,000 a month in what? Monthly guaranteed income. On top of everything else, guys, this is monthly guaranteed income. And the company want us to help everybody to what? Get the monthly guaranteed bonus. So what do? They have a matching bonus for helping people. You get to make up to 50% in matching bonus. Somebody make 1,000, you make 500. They make 5,000, you make 2,500. A monthly guaranteed matching bonus. Now, I know there's a lot of money, but let me give you a plan. Let me give you a plan real quick. We have a 6-figure guaranteed income strategy for individuals. And it's all about our guaranteed income, right? This may be somebody's retirement plan here. All you do is you qualify for guaranteed income yourself, 3, 1 outside customer, and then build a team of individuals that goes up to 585 individuals. That's it. You know, some leaders laugh at us when we show them that. It's like, that's all. Yes, that's it. 585 individuals. Because when you get there, your daily guarantee is $200 a day or $600 a month. Then your monthly guarantee is $2,500 a month. That's a total of $8,500 a month or $102,000 a year in guaranteed income. Remember, you can make more, but it's our guaranteed income. How can you make more? Because, guys, it's just 2 of our 10 streams. Remember, one of the other streams at that level, you just qualify for the $3,000 luxury vehicle car. So how about $102,000 in guaranteed income coming to you? And then they say, we'll take care of your car payment and your house payment also on top of that. Guys, it's easy to get started with this, okay? It's easy. To get started with our company, you need to have the business. The business is a one-time fee of $99 one time. And then you pay $40 a month for your back office. We have capture pages. We have training. It's running your business, okay? It's running your business. So you got the $40 a month actually there, plus the Financial Edge membership, okay? You get the Financial Edge membership, which is $79.97 a month, okay, membership, and your spouse is included. So at max, let's talk about max. At max, it's $228 to get in for your first payment, $228, and then at max, $119.97 a month. Why are you saying max, Terrence? Because remember, when you refer 3 customers, you don't pay that $79.97 a month anymore. It's down to $40 then for this type of income structure. Now, the first thing that you will want to do when you get in, the very first thing you want to do is you want to talk to your CPA, okay? This is the tax reduction experts. Why? Because they're going to analyze and convert your eligible existing expenses into your home-based business deductions. They're going to do that immediately. Then they're going to make sure that you're in compliance by setting up your automated mileage and expense tracker to properly keep your records. Then they're going to basically look at your W-4 and make the adjustments, okay, to your W-4, and they're going to increase your take-home pay by giving it to you. You're giving it to your HR department. You just increase. Now, I want you to understand then what just happened. What just happened just by you getting a business with MWR Financial is you just received immediate cash flow. You just received immediate cash flow because your instant pay raise by itself save you $300 to $600 a month. Your instant pay raise again by itself is $300 to $600 a month in tax savings. That's more than the total cost of a business of $120 at max. And because a record keeping system and your CPA comes with it, the $120 is a write-off as well. So if your taxes is more than the cost of the membership, again, you're making more money in your tax savings than what the business costs. That's cash flow, guys. You're not losing at all. I want people to understand that for your business, it doesn't cost you. And you get all of the experts. You got all the everything actually that you need. And we make sure that your taxes cover it, okay? That your taxes are covering the costs. Now, if that's not good, we also give you a 30-day money-back guarantee. We're basically saying if you follow our plan of action and if our experts are not able to save or make you more money within your first 30 days, MWR is going to give you a full refund. They're going to give you a full refund if they are not able to save or make you more money within your first 30 days. You have nothing to lose. Nothing to lose at all. Okay? Nothing to lose at all. Guys, let's finish up here. Are you tired of the 40-40 plan? That's working 40 hours a week for 40 years for somebody else's dreams. Now, if you want to work for the rest of your life, that's your business. However, if you are willing to work smart for the next 1 to 5 years to build a strong, guaranteed income for you and your family, that's our business. Guys, remember this. Every day that you're not a part of our system, you're building somebody else's dreams instead of your own. We truly believe that we have the perfect business for you. You're going to get an instant pay raise. You're going to be able to refer others to MWR Financials. Our experts are going to do all of the work, but you get to enjoy the rewards. Guys, the time is indeed now for you to take control of your financial future, and you can do it today. So what do you have to do now? Guys, get back with the person that referred you to our webinar. Get back with them. Get their website. Get started today, because every day that you do not have a business, you're losing on average $10 to $20 a day just in your tax savings alone. With that being said, guys, this is Terrence again, your favorite ENA. I appreciate your time for us to listen to our company, and let me be the first one to welcome you to MWR Financial. Take care, guys. Good day.